Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover a very important SQL interview question which has been asked in the Zomato interview. So let's start. So we have these two tables. One is a customer table which is having the information about the customer data, which is having customer ID, customer name and city columns. Okay. And second table is the orders table which is having information about the orders data, which is having order ID, customer ID, dish name and the order date. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to find out the most ordered dish in each city. Okay. So for example, in Delhi, which is the most ordered dish, whether it is pizza or burger, we need to find out. Okay. So let's understand how can we solve this question. Okay. So to solve this question, we need the dish name and the city column, right? But if you see in the orders table, we don't have this city information, right? So how can we fetch this dish name and the city information at once? Okay. So how can we do it? We will join these two tables. Okay. So that after joining the tables, I can have this dish column and the city columns. Okay. So as you can see, right, we have this customer ID column, which is common in both the tables. Okay. So first I will join both the tables on this customer ID column so that I can easily fetch this dish name and the city column. Okay. So now let's go to the Databricks. So I already have this create table statement, insert table statement. Okay. So I'll put this into my YouTube video description so that you can practice the same. Okay. So now let's solve the problem. Okay. So as I told you, right, what we'll do, we will first try to join both the tables. Okay. And try to fetch the dish name and the city column, right? Because that's what we need, right? Okay. So let's do it. Okay. So let's start from my first table is customers. Okay. And I will give some alias name, let's say C, and I will join it with orders table, and I will give alias name as O. Okay. And I will join on C dot customer ID equal to O dot customer ID. Okay. Because that's a common column, right? And I will what I will do after joining, I will fetch the disk column. Okay. Let me just highlight it. And the customer name and the city column, right? Because that's what we need, right, to solve this question. Okay. So let's select the city name. Okay. And the dish name. Now let's execute this and see are we able to fetch these two columns or not. Okay. So as you can see, right, I'm able to fetch the city and the dish name, right? So basically in Delhi, what are the dish has been ordered? It is pizza and burger, right? In Mumbai, it is bada pav and pav bhaji. In Bangalore, it is Italy and dosa. So this information we are able to fetch, right? Now what is our next step? Now since we are able to fetch the dish name and city, now what I need to do? I should find out the count of each dish in each city. Okay. So how can we do that? What I will do, I will group this by city and dish name. Okay, and I will find out the count of star. Okay, so it will give me the count of each dish. Okay, so let's do group by city and dish. I hope you are able to get it right because that's what we want, right? For each city, how many times the dish has been ordered, right? So that's why we are doing group by city and dish name, and I want to find out the count of star, right? Okay. Let me give some alias name to this. Let's say count. Okay. So let's execute this. Okay. So you can see, right? I'm able to fetch the how many times the dish has been ordered in each city, right? For example, burger has been ordered 2 times in Delhi. Okay. Similarly, pizza has been ordered 3 times. Okay. Similarly, for other cities, we are also able to fetch the count. Okay. But if you go to the question, right, we need to find out the topmost ordered dish. Okay. So basically, as you can see for Delhi, okay, the burger has been ordered 2 times, but pizza has been ordered 3 times. Okay. So basically, the pizza is the most ordered dish here, right? So how can we now? How can I fetch the pizza from here, right? I don't want to fetch this burger for Delhi. Okay. So how can we solve this? Now I will apply ranking function on this count. Okay. So that after applying the ranking function, I can fetch. the most ordered dish. Okay, so let me just do it. Okay, what we can do, we can apply the ranking function here also. Okay, now let me apply dense rank. Okay, dense rank over, I will say, partition by city and order by count of star. Okay, as descending I want, right? Okay, in descending order. Okay, so and let me give some alias name, let's say rank. Okay, so let me execute this and see are we getting the rank or not. Okay, so you can clearly see, right, for Delhi and pizza dish I am getting the rank 1 because it has been ordered most of the time, right? But burger I am getting second, and because it is it is ordered less time as compared to pizza, right? So now what I can do, now it is easy for me, right? What I can do, I can fetch out this rank equals to 1. So it will give me only the dish that has been ordered mostly for each city. Okay, so what I can do, I can convert this into one subquery. Okay, uh, let me just convert it and let me give some alias name, let's say discount, and let's select city and dish name from this subquery, right? And I will say where rank goes to 1. Okay, so now let's execute this. So you can see, right, we are able to fetch the data, right? For Delhi it was pizza, and for Bangalore it is dosa, and for Mumbai it is pav bhaji. Okay, so I hope you got it right. So I hope I was able to cover this question. Okay, if you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Okay, we will meet in the next video with some interesting SQL question. Till then, goodbye and thank you.